Hello children, let us work out RSPL-3. So this is considered to be a difficult level. RSPL 1, 2 and 3, easy, moderate and difficult. So section A, part A, section 1 will start. First question, state whether the number, this given number, is rational or not. So first we will check both non-terminating, non-repeating, reoccurring. So if it is both, this condition is satisfied, then it is irrational. So let us check out. It is a non-terminating, this dash 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 indicate it is non-terminating. Is it repeating 1 2 0 1, 1 2 0 0, 1 2? So it is not repeating, so it is non-repeating. So the given number is irrational, not rational, it is irrational. Then second one, or question, 43 by 2 4, 2 raised to 4 5 raised to 3. So focus on this highest number degree 4. So 5 we need to multiply here into 1 5 raised to 1. Why do we do this? To make this 5 raised to 4. So we have here 43 into 5 divided by 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. To make this equal, we do it. So 215 divided by 10 raised to 4. So this after 4 digit. Here the question is how many places, after how many places the decimal expansion occurs. So you should not write only 4 places, you even have to show the answer. So answer will be here 1 2 3 4 point decimal. So this is a final answer. Determine the value of k for which the following pair of linear equations are infinitely many solutions. For infinitely many solution, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So since here k is in this part, that is c1 by c2, you either can use this one a1 by a2 equal to this part, or we can use b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, whichever is convenient. So here I will be using these two. You even can take 3 by 1.5. 4 by 2 is equal to 28 by 5k. So 2, so you will get here 2 1 time 14. So we get 5k equal to 14, k equal to 14 by 5, that is 2.8. Then next question, third question, form a quadratic polynomial whose 1 0 is 6, 1 0, let us assume alpha is 6, and look at this point here, sum of the zeros is 0. It is not the other 0 given, sum of the zeros. So let alpha be 6, sum of the zeros is 0. Alpha is 6, so beta will be minus 6. So take it over here, we know the formula, minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, x square minus here 6 minus 6 x plus 6 into minus 6 equal to 0. So you get 0, this part will be 0, 36 minus 36 equal to 0, plus 6 minus 6 0. Next question, fourth one, find sum of all the natural numbers less than 100 and divisible by 6. Here they are natural numbers, so they should start from 1. So it is divisible by 6 means 6 table. Our AP will be 6 12 dash dash. Now what will be our AN? So it should be less than 100. We will check for 6. If it is divisible by 6, it should be divisible by 3 as well as 2 both. So if I check with 99, no, it is not divisible by 2, not even number, don't take it. 98, it is 98 will be it will be divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. 9 plus 8 is 17, so it will not go in 3. 97 odd number not divisible by 2, so not divisible by 6. 96, yes, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, so an will be 96. Now you find n using an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 96, 6 plus, we don't know n, it is a finite series. So d here will be 6, 12 minus 6, then 96 minus 6, this transposing, we get n minus 1 into 6, 90 divided by 6, n minus 1. So 1 time, then you get here 3, 15, 15 plus 1, this 1 minus 1 will be. So n is equal to 16, you got it. But they are asking us to find the sum. So to find sum, we know here first term of the AP, first term and last term, use Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So n we got it as 16 by 2, a is 6 plus 96, 8. So find out 8 into 102. Check out, work out and write the answer. Fifth question, if alpha and 1 by alpha reciprocal are zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial, find the value of k. So just give one check, k is in C, this is C, B and A. So k is C and we can see the zeros here are reciprocal. So directly go for product of the zeros, alpha into beta. So if at all you have watched my one shot on polynomial, I have done the condition based sum. So if 2 alpha and beta are the 0, alpha is alpha, beta is 1 by 2, 1 by alpha. So product of the zeros, alpha into beta, equal to C by A. C here is k minus 4 divided by 4. Cancel this, 1 equal to k minus 4 by 4. Send 4 up, 4 equal to k minus 4. So k equal to 8. Done. Then sixth question, find for what condition the pair of equation, this one, these two equations represent parallel lines. Okay, to represent parallel lines, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So we'll have to use both the condition over here, both we have to show. First I'll write a by 3 is equal to 2 by b should not be equal to 7 by 16. So first we'll take this stretch here. So we get AB should be equal to 6, first part. In the second part we get here B in this case will be 16 into 2 divided by 7. B should not be equal to 32 divided by 7. Then seventh question, solve this equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula means first we'll find out d equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b is 1, 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So 1, okay, we get a negative term equal to minus 3. So you just write here real root does not exist. Real roots does not exist. So no need to solve further, children. Real root does not exist. Leave it over here. And then next question, Eighth question. A circle touches x, okay, at P, x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. If O is the origin and OP is 5 cm. So you might take a little bit time to go through this question and analyze it, what exactly it means. Here, if I draw a Cartesian plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, origin, and I'll take one point P on x-axis and one point Q on y-axis. So they say that this circle touches, I'm sorry for the circle not looking out to be circle, okay, assume it to be a circle, okay. So OP, this is 5 centimeter. I'll take center, line drawn from center to the point perpendicular. This one is perpendicular. So if I take this M, then we get QOPM to be square. It will be square. So then all sides will be equal. Even PM will be 5, QM will be 5. So if PM and QM are 5, that means radius is 5 centimeter. What would be diameter? 2R. That means 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. Ninth question. PQ, PR are two tangents to circle with center O. OQOR is 3x minus 8, QPR is 4x minus 1. So let us draw and decide how it comes in. Circle. So one thing from this P and P, so P is the external point. We have radius, two tangents PQ and PR with center O. If I join this 90 degree, 90 degree. So okay, QOR is 3x minus 8. This one is 4x minus 1. So we have to find x. So in this quadrilateral QORP, sum of all the angles will be 360 degree. Q plus O plus R plus P will be 360 degree angle. So here we know that Q and R are 90 degree. So it will be angle QOR plus angle QPR equal to 180 degree. These two angles here. So QOR is 3x minus 8 plus 4x minus 1 equal to 180 degree. This will be 7x minus 9 equal to 180. 7x is equal to 189. X is equal to 189 divided by 7. 7 2 times 9 times, 7 times 49. So therefore x is equal to 27. So that was our 9th question. Now moving on with the 10th one. State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. For similarity, there are two conditions to be satisfied. One is side should be proportional, side should be in same ratio. Yes, here they are in same ratio. 3 divided by 1.52, 3 by 1.52, each side they are in same ratio. But how about the angles? So angle here is 90 degree, this is not known. So you might be thinking here this all sides are equal, it can be a square because then it can be 90 degree. But all sides are equal, that can be even a rhombus also. So according to the picture given over here, angles are not equal. Angles are not equal, so they are not similar. They are not similar. Next question, 11th question. Here given that AD by BD is equal to A by AC. fine. So with this given, we can write here DE is parallel to BC. How do we write this? Reason converse of BPT. If two in a triangle two sides are proportional, then the line joining will be parallel to the third side. Okay, ADE is 70 degree, BAC is 50, fine. What we have to find out? BCA, this angle we have to find. This is very simple. This D is 70, this also will be 70. Why? We showed here it is parallel. If it is parallel, these two form corresponding angles. Then in the big triangle, angle sum property, 50 plus 70 plus angle C equal to 180 degree, angle C equal to 180 minus 120, angle C equal to 60 degree. Next question. Lengths of the diagonal of rhombus are 30 and 40 centimeter. Okay, so find the side of the rhombus. So rhombus here, diagonal D1 and D2 are given. Will not use that D1 and D2 for the area thing as such. So if I take this 40, if I name this as A, B, C, D, AC diagonal as 40, then with O here, so it is bisected, diagonal bisect each other. This is 15, this is 15, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Pythagoras theorem for A, B, O, 20 and 15. AB square is equal to 20 square plus 15 square, that is 400 plus 225. Okay, good number, we get it. AB square, so AB will be square root of 625, that is 25. What is 20? AB here, side of the rhombus is 25 centimeters. Next question, 12th one. Cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square into tan square theta will be 1. Yes, cot square theta is 1 divided by tan square theta into tan square theta will be 1. Cancel, you will get 1. Next question, 13th question. You find this something cube and all is given and it is only for 1 mark. How to be done? So don't be scared, children, just substitute what you are seeing it here. X is a cos cube theta. So in place of this x here, substitute a cos cube theta divided by a. 2 by 3, happy moment, cancel, plus y is, this y is b sine cube theta divided by b. Then 2 by 3, cancel b. Now one more thing, cancellation you can do it here, check out. Cube and 3, cube and this one cancel. So finally what do you get? Cos square theta plus sine square theta, value 1. Done. It's as simple as that. Find the value of this whole thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 90. I say 0 it is. Why? It is all multiplication. Cos 90 is 0, so just straight away write 0. But one mark right here, since cos 90 is equal to 0. Coming on to the next one, 14th question. PQR is a square. Okay, this is 10 root 2. RS is 10 root 2, so all sides will be 10 root 2. Then so each side is 10 root 2. Determine the area of the shaded region. To find the area of shaded region, it is very clear that area of circle minus area of square. For square we know the dimension, side into side, 10 root 2 whole square. Circle area is pi r square. Where is r? R not given, so we will have to find out r. You take any of this triangle or this triangle out. So if you take PQR, 10 root 2, 10, all sides are equal. Find PR. PR square is equal to, this is 90 degree angle in a square, 10 root 2 whole square plus 10 root 2 whole square. You get here PR square equal to 200 plus 200. PR equal to square root of 400, that is 20. So this PR whole thing you are getting 20. Radius of this will be 10. So substitute here 3.14, though they have not given, radius is not a multiple of 7, so I have taken 3.14. 10 into 10 minus 10 square 100 into 2, 314. 2 zeros, 2 shift, minus 200, you get 114 units. Square units, it is area. Next one, perimeter. This is your keyword in this sum. Perimeter of the given figure. So what is perimeter? We know sum of all the sides, but this arc a part of the major arc plus 2. Perimeter here will be major arc plus 2r, this r and r. For major arc, formula will be theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. We are talking about the arc, so we have to take 2 pi r. Circumference, because it is part of the circumference, 2 into 42. Now theta, you should not take 90 because we are not considering the minor arc, we are taking the major arc over here. So what will be this angle here? The reflex of 90 degree AOB, 360 minus 90, 270. So 270 divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7, r here is 42. So this here is 84, this part. Cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, 1 time, 6 times, 6 1 time, 6 times. So we get here 3 2 times, 3 9 times, 2 and 2 cancel. So how much do we get here? 9 into 22 plus 84. 18, 198 plus 84, 12, 282 will be centimeter. Yes, centimeter. It's a perimeter. Perimeter will be 282. 15th question. If an AP A equal to 3.5 D 0 N, look at this N is 1010, determine the value of AN. Children, here when they give you so big and D is 0, check out. AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN we have to find out 3.5. Do not even substitute N, make this 0 because D is 0. So what is AN? 3.5. Done. Next question, last question. Our probability, two dice are rolled. Find the probability of getting same numbers on the two dice whose product is 1. Okay, instead of making all this, it's not necessary 2 3 2 dice and all, because they are asking product for 1. Only one possibility, 1 comma 1 will have the product 1. So probability of event for the number of favorable outcome is 1, because you take any other outcome 2 comma 1, 2 into 1 2 it will be. So there's only one possibility of getting product 1 when two dice are rolled, that is 1 comma 1. Total number of outcome remains same, so answer is 1 by 36. Then A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. Find the probability that chosen letter is a consonant. We know in English we have 26 letters, so total number of outcome will be 26. And consonant, if you don't remember, we'll do this one. Check out for the vowels A, E, I, O, U. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 26 minus 5, that is 21 by 26. This step is not required. You can directly write there are 21 consonants. So the probability of this event here will be 21 by 26.